not my next match.
Nah, we're gonna delete that shit. That was a draw. It was considered a draw. Alright, let's go, let's go!
Good day, good day. That was dumb funny, man. Niggas just trying to return that. That's why I need somebody level up.
Oh!
Go get him, nigga!
Continue!
Oh, you wildin'!
Yo, continue!
Get that nigga! What are you doing?
Nigga, it's boxing and grappling. Nigga, your floor game could be up there too, nigga.
My man's let him rock though.
You don't read into shit.
Alright, come back to the
He
center.
got
Back to the center.
Stepping out of shit.
He don't have no step. How he fall?
We didn't make a circle.
Ooh! See that? Ooh! I just told him that. Look at that. He learning already. Ooh!
Let's continue! Alright?
All that power came from that too.
Let's go. Step that game up.
Yo, the whole time nigga got the smile on his face.
Yo, back to the center, back to the center.
Back to the center.
Look at his titties is on.
Fight.
Yeah, you should move Kadir. I mean, Kadir from the side. Though. He's stupid.
Look at Glenn.
Like, Glenn
Yo, work your jab. Work your jab.
weave that, yo. Weave that, yo. Pay attention. Weave that.
Yeah, there go.
You look like he's in the Japanese style.
Oh!
Good.
Back to the center, back to the center.
Center's in school, man.
Yo, let's go!
Get the fuck up, nigga.
You
Come on, ass nigga.
Work that jab.
Stop backing up, man.
Yo, Trey, move your big ass head.
Work it out.
Ooh, yes.
Oh!
Hold him. There go, hold him.
Yo, use that grab, nigga, my nigga.
Hold his head. Hold it with your life. Hold it. Yeah, there go. Grab his leg. The right one. The right one.
On the pound, shut up. Alright, get up.
Whoa, he definitely got points off that.
Mad points, my nigga.
He definitely, wait.
Continue. Yo, how many minutes was that? How many minutes?
It's been 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Continue.
Continue.
Fight.
Yo, you seen the fucking weed?
Back in the center.
Yeah, I know what the deal be doing. He think you can be down.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Hurry up. Let's go.
Fuck, we got 2 rounds.
Keep your hands up. Keep that chin tucked.
Thought they jacked each other right there at the same time.
Oh, what's that? Glenn is switching? I see him.
Work his ass.
Which one's Glenn again?
Keep them hands up. Well, keep them hands up. Yeah, Clinton's moving around his ass.
Oh! Yes! Get him again!
I can tell it wasn't happening.
Yo, flip him over your back.
There you go.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
There you go. Punch him.
He's
Punch
good,
on
he's
his
good.
face. There you go.
Yo, Glenn, turn around.
Yo,
Shut up. Reverse.
Just block. Fuck that. Try to get out. Shit.
Yo,
Start
Kadir,
rolling,
hey,
start
fuck
rolling.
up. Why you coaching me during the
Stop
fight?
coaching the fight. Stop coaching
Get
the
ass,
fight.
yo.
Yo,
Kadir, watch out.
stand up.
Stand up. Let them stand up.
No.
Nah, Glenn
he can
stand
still
up.
work, he
How
can
that
still
nigga?
He still work.
Glenn can stand up and earth.
No grabbing the gloves. No
Yeah,
grabbing
this
the
is
gloves.
grab him by his legs. Yo, Glenn, get on. Drop him.
Give him the teabagging. Shit out of him. Punch him.
Nigga say,
Oh, there you go.
Uh-oh.
There you go. Oh. Pull yourself.
Oh, look where his hand is at, my nigga.
It's over. He got the dodge choking.
Yo.
Oh.
He good?
Yo, flip. Glenn, flip. Try to turn his body over too.
Nah, it's not going down.
Yo, go on your back. Go on
There
your back.
we go.
Here we go. Watch out, get out the way. Get out the camera,
Stop.
Watch looking like The Rock right now.
Taylor Kubo.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Pull yourself back, Hayeda.
Huh?
Drop yourself.
Shut up.
No, breathe.
Fuck.
Breathe. Slowly.
Damn, nigga, this
breathe.
damn fight. Niggas think it's a real fight. Niggas is not gonna have you there telling what to do.
Oh, game.
Oh, done.
That's it. It's over.
Yeah.
Oh, my son learned. From Jonathan. My son learned from Jonathan.
Stop.
Good, Glenn? What's that, Jonathan? You shot it? That's what's up.
Nah, but you gotta get some good
You good, man?
But you gotta give props. This is his first fight. He definitely held it down, though.
Oh, yeah.
Down there, he definitely held it down. Glenn definitely. That slam was highlight reel right there, though. I want to see that.
Word, that was highlights.
That was
highlights
highlight.
on that shit.
He was uppercut at
Nigga said,
Nigga, weave the next shot.
That shit kill it?
They'd have boxed it out.